All right, let's check this out. This is a quad engine. Kevin, you want to help me with the name of this thing?
Nope. That's B17.
That is a B17. Looking gorgeous. Finding my way through the plains. Trying not to step on anything. All right. Look at that bad boy.
All right, taking off, guys.
Look at that. Wow, it's a graceful takeoff. Look at the wingspan on that. Beautiful B17. Good Lord. I have to zoom out a little bit. Nice slow pass. It's moving there.
Drop bombs.
Ooh, bomb drop. All right.
Yes, I'm around.
Target acquired.
No, don't go around. It's going out the door. Payload's being released. I don't give a rat's ass. Second round. Exactly. I am not in this lifetime. I'm going to make that second round. I'm going to hit that button no matter what. Something beating this kid. Exactly.
Here we come. Drop. There they go. Wow.
It's all grass.
Well, it is peacetime. That's the hippie B17. Dropping grass.
No. No, we're gonna land.
Coming in. Look at that bad boy. Just gorgeous. Ooh, 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 a little rough, a little rough. Saved it. Nice job. Nice save, fellas. Ooh. Beauty.
That's for sure, right?